Yeah. Young Reek. When I bring the heat, I'm scorching like a bunch of torches. I've always been the truth, they lying like the wood on porches. I let the money talk, excuse me, you is not important. If you a hating ass nigga, get up out my office. Laying shit down like some fucking edges. I'm married to the green, I'm on it like a new detective. Everything is clear, I got a brand new perspective. I'm coming straight for the money, that's my one objective. I'm tearing shit down like I'm King Kong. My trust line thin, thinner than a damn thong. They wanna play around, she open like a theme song. I'm hitting hella gas, I'm hitting from a damn bong. You niggas fake, there really ain't no room for you. Make way for a nigga that is truly loyal. Demons steady watching me, G.O.D. still guarding me. Woke 'em up, put 'em back to sleep. Demons talking, I'm full of steam. Clouded up, I got bigger dreams. Shorty jumping like trampoline. Beat it up like a movie scene, killing shit in the first degree. It's R-double-E, I thought you really knew that. Coming straight from the trenches, boy, I'm too flat. I'm sending bars quick, ain't no retract. I'm sending bars quick, ain't no retract. All that talk behind screens, man, you ain't a hitter. I'm about that face to face, that Twitter shit is not the dealer. I'm always about that action, these haters steady rapping. Had to take the lid off, that's a demonstration. Yeah. Had to take the lid off, that's a damn extraction. Yeah. Yeah. Had to take the lid off, that's a demonstration. One for the money, then two for the bros. R-double-fucking-E, just took the damn show. I'm about to let them know, you can't put me in a cage. I'm a ruthless motherfucker in this damn day and age. I'm just snapping on these beats and going in. Snapping on it like a turtle. Mess around through thick and thin. Man, that blood thicker than water, yeah, really thicker than water. Might have them in slaughter, then slaughter them, then I'm going, I might yo for them. I fuck around, take your daughter. I fuck around, then I get it. I mess around every quarter. Ball out fourth quarter, then I ball out in the first. When it hit halftime, I'll be spitting all these verses. I might go and converse, might just go and converse, and then beat it like I'm a converse. I'm going in, then I'm going in, going in, and I'm going in. Hey. Yeah, Rika, Young Reek, yeah, let's go. Yeah. Stepping my foot in the game, touchdown I land just like a plane. Niggas the same, I am too different. Ripped jeans, I'm crazy just like the visit. I'ma go get it too clean like the dishes. Ganja got me feeling high as a chemist. Might be a blemish, hold up, let me finish. Dishing them bars, I'm serving like waitresses. 80 grand, that's a long-term difference. Come back, it might be a few inches. She like how I did it, she like how I hit it. Giving her sake, she want me to finish. Grabbing my chain, she want my forgiveness. My ex called babe, that fuck is you tripping? Already ended forever, I thought. So all that babe shit, that's gotta stop. I'm about to drop, this is a message. I don't want you, the fuck you not getting. It's Armageddon, they saying he coming. Waiting patiently like I am hungry. Thinking it's funny, I hope that you not. Young Greek, I don't say shit to cops. Elevated, now I'm gravitating. Regulating, and I'm dominating. Coming up, I done graduated. 18, now I decimated. Jump shot like James Harden. Crossover like Kyrie. Shoot deep like Westbrook. Behind the arc is where I be. Behind the arc is where I be. Shooting deep from the fucking sea. Let's go. Hold up. Yeah. Elevated, now I'm gravitating. Regulating, then I'm dominating. Coming up, I done graduated. 18, now I decimated. Yeah. 18, now I decimated. Regulating and dominating. Coming up, I done graduated. 18, now I decimated. Yeah. 18, now I decimated. Yeah. 18, now I decimated. Yeah. Yeah.